This video is all about the automations and systems that you can use in your new business to help you save time and money. As a new business, you're probably using or considering using social media as a promotional strategy for your business, which is a good idea. Just don't let it be the only strategy. With that being said, the first automation that you should be using is for your content, specifically the release of your content automatically to your social media platforms. Maintaining a consistent release of content can be specifically hard, especially with life getting in the way. That is why it is a good idea to schedule your content to be released automatically. Scheduling your content for automatic release is all about maintaining consistency, which can help with building trust with your audience and eventually help to making more sales. Now, I know you probably heard that before, but here's the key to doing that. The key to doing that and really sticking through with this strategy is to not put so much pressure on yourself to schedule so far in advance. That is where we go wrong. When we say to ourselves, I want to schedule 2 months or 3 months in advance, that's very unreasonable. Some people are able to schedule a month in advance, some people 2 weeks, some people 2 days. If this is all new to you being a new business owner, I would recommend that you schedule at least 2 to 3 days worth of content in advance. That can be a little bit more achievable than to say to yourself that you want to schedule a month's worth of content in advance. You'll get the most out of the strategy doing it this way because it's a little bit less anxiety involved. Here's the thing, you do not have to create and release content every day. But when you schedule 2 to 3 pieces of content in advance, what you're going to be able to do is maintain some sort of presence on your social media platforms. Because although you don't have to post every day, you cannot go weeks without posting content on your platform, and scheduling your content can help with that. So let's talk about the content scheduling platforms that you can consider. If you're scheduling content for Instagram, Facebook, things like that, the Facebook Creator Suite is a free platform that is available that allows you to release content automatically to your platforms, and it has lots of other features that can help you with deciding what time to post and other things like that if that's something that you're also struggling with. An alternative platform is the Planoly platform, which is what I specifically recommend only because it's a little bit more visual when it comes to you being able to see the content in advance and how it will look on your feed. Planoly is both a paid and a free platform, and you can decide from there based off the features that you would get with the free option what you would want to do, if you would want to go with the completely free option of the Facebook Creator Suite or if you want to go down the route of a platform like Planoly. And by the way, if you're ever thinking about which business resources would be best for your business, there is a link to business resources that I specifically recommend linked on the Business Girl website. I'll put the specific link to that resource page in the description box below, and you can check that out. There I have a lot of different tech recommendations and software recommendations that can help you as a new business owner. The whole point here with scheduling and releasing your social media content in advance is all about you not manually releasing content onto your platforms. You don't want to be doing that for an extended period of time. Every now and then you can create and release a post manually, but you should place yourself into the habit of just creating maybe 2 to 3 pieces in advance so that you would relieve yourself of some of that pressure when it comes to staying consistent and maintaining your brand presence on social media. And do not be afraid to reuse old content. I talk about that all the time. I actually have another video on content creation and how you can prepare for releasing content. I'll link that below as well. But here's the thing, don't be afraid of reusing old content, because whether your business is small or not, new people come across your business every day, and it's okay to reuse content, especially on those days when you're stuck and you're falling a bit behind and you don't know what to post. Always consider reposting content that you have already posted before. Another automation that can help you save time in your new business and make you money is the automations that are attached to your email marketing software. Let's break this down a little bit. The same way you can wake up to content released automatically to your social media platforms, you can schedule the release of emails to your list. So let's say you're a new business owner and you have a goal of sending 2 emails per week to your list. What you can do is you can set a day aside to create your emails and set those emails to be released automatically at a specific time and on a specific date. So these emails can be considered blast or broadcast, where essentially you're sending a one-time email email to everybody on your list, and it can be scheduled to release in the future on any day and at any time that you select. This ability to sit down and schedule at least 2 emails to be released to your list in advance can help remind your audience of maybe a promotion that you're hosting, or help remind them of a new product that you have released, and eventually help to increase your sales, all from an action that you took in advance. There are also automatic sequences, series, and flows, depending on what it's called in your email platform, that you can schedule in advance, which allows you to send multiple or more than one email either to your entire list or specifically to a group of people on your list. And this can all be done on autopilot and scheduled in advance. I talk more about the benefits of email marketing and how you can use it to make more sales in your business in my free business workshop, which is now available for registration. If you want to register for that and you haven't as yet, go ahead and click the link in the description box below. The third automation or systems that you can use in your business that will save you time and make you money are the website automations that you add to your business. Website automations are extremely underrated but can be very beneficial because it allows you to communicate with visitors to your website and also encourage sales. For example, the Attn app is an app that you can add to your website, which allows you to directly communicate back and forth with any website visitor that may have questions when they land onto your website. And you can also schedule in the back end of the app automations that will provide coupons or discount codes to specific visitors to your website. These automations are usually very easy to set up, and the app will know whether or not the website visitor is new or a returning visitor to your site. This app is a little bit different from any of the apps that are similar to it because it's not directly linked to another platform like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or email. Instead, it's an actual immediate two-way communication between you and the website visitor. What will happen is, after you set up the app on your website and someone begins to engage with the chat box, you will get a notification on your phone when you download the Attn app on your phone as well. So you'll have it on your website and on your phone, and it will allow a notification to pop up on your phone. So wherever you are, anytime, you can set the times as well as to when you are available or not, but you will be able to immediately answer customers' questions, which can help to provide clarity for an issue or concern that they may have, which will then possibly allow them to check out. Or the automation that you set up in advance can offer them a coupon or some sort of discount that can help to encourage a sale. And a bonus automation that I talk about a lot, but I also wanted to make sure that I included, is the automation that allows you to capture and display your customer reviews. One of the first things I always recommend that new business owners do is to set up a system in place for them to receive reviews for their products from their past customers, because it's these reviews that help with future purchases from customers that may be visiting your store and are on the fence about whether or not they should purchase. You can pick whichever review capture app you want to. Just go into the App Store on your website's platform. But the point is, you want to set this up as soon as possible because this allows you to automatically receive those reviews. Once you set it up, you'll be able to automatically send out emails to customers after a certain period of time has passed. The review is collected and is automatically released onto your website. I hope those automations and systems really helped. It's very important, especially as a solopreneur, to make sure that you're automating as much of your business as possible to prevent burnout and to help you to get further with your business. And if you want to register for the workshop that I mentioned, the link to that will be in the description box. And if you liked this video on automations and systems, I'll link a similar business on systems right here on the screen, and I'll see you there.